Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new video here on Aviation Code. On today's video, we have some news about the British Airways first Airbus A350-1000 aircraft. As you can see on the photo, the first British Airways A350 has left the final assembly line in Toulouse, France, where Airbus manufactures its Airbus A350 aircraft. Now, British Airways has an order for 18 Airbus A350-1000 aircraft and an option for 18 additional A350-1000. This aircraft will have the registration G-XWBA. It's a very nice registration. It is British Airways' first Airbus A350. It will offer 56 club suites, which are British Airways' new business class seats. It will have 56 premium economy class seats and 219 economy seats. This is a very nice photo, and as you may know, the aircraft is not yet ready for delivery. It will undergo a very strict, some very strict weeks of flight tests, and it also has to get painted before it is delivered for British Airways, possibly in the next 2 months. It is also rumored that this aircraft will fly on the London to Toronto route, on the first route. That is it for today. I hope you all are just excited as me to see the British Airways A350-1000 flying. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with the news, follow me on Instagram at InsiderFlyer, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.